Stories of rogue agents or unexpected activity are not that hard to find. The real issue is what to do about it, and the answers aren't always obvious when trying to bend existing network based tools to do the job. The fact is that agentic traffic patterns are different, and that difference has to be accounted for. Let's consider how a typical agent interacts with the outside world. Well, first, the agent has AI related communication. This, of course, is the prompts and responses from LLMs, MCP traffic, etc. Second, the agent may create other tools or worker processes to retrieve data or interact with project servers. We'll call this AI tool traffic. And finally, other processes on the user machine continue to operate normally from email to web browsers and so on. Now, lots of companies are building AI gateways or proxies of some kind. These promise to sit in front of agentic activity and do a wide range of identity, content filtering, and pattern recognition. The good thing about these platforms is that once you have the packet open, you can add additional security scanning without much difficulty. The downside of AI gateways is that they're a poor choice for tool traffic or normal network traffic of a user. The latency that is acceptable for an LLM interaction is just not tolerable for file share activity. Not everything needs the heavy hand of a full proxy. Furthermore, ensuring that traffic gets to the AI gateway can't be assured just by proxy settings. Many AI agents will simply change the configuration and then just go wherever they want to go. The other option that many teams look at is repurposing their network security stack. Maybe a smart packet filter could do the job. It turns out it's relatively easy to implement a host-based network firewall, but they can be difficult to maintain. These simple filters can't tell the difference between AI agent traffic, tool traffic, and regular user traffic. And they have no ability to control agent intent because they can't see into the packets. And that's why Zentera has built a unique architecture to control agent traffic and to ensure that agents behave as intended. Our zLink agent deploys onto user and server machines. It can identify thousands of agents, map out tools and user flows, and then with the help of our orchestration platform, it ensures that AI traffic is sent to our session controller. The agent can't avoid it. In similar fashion, we can enforce fast network rules on AI tool and user traffic. When combined with Zentera chambers around important assets, this ensures that access is limited, secure, and that only approved pathways are used. This architecture goes to the next level when project assets are grouped into enclaves. Where chambers secure compute assets using network-based controls, an enclave gathers all of the resources needed for a project and ensures that both network and behavior-based controls are enforced. An enclave will contain user endpoints, project MCP servers, local LLMs, and whatever other computer assets are required. The zLink agent and the chambers control the network traffic, and Zentera's AI session controller can't be bypassed and ensures that all agent activity conforms to expected behavior. Each enclave is completely isolated from the others, and this provides true project separation. If you put all this together, you can then lay out some of the best practices for agentic deployment. We can deploy agents in enclaves scoped to individual projects. Enclave boundaries define the intent of the agent and determine the scope of their access and limit the blast radius. Don't rely on AI gateways for east-west protection. Gateways can filter agentic LLM and MCP traffic, but are inappropriate for agentic tool traffic or standard network traffic. Keep sensitive workloads outside of agent enclaves. Sensitive workloads like IT maintenance ports and finance servers just shouldn't be in the enclave. When agents need to access sensitive servers, follow a DMZ deployment strategy. Require human interaction to pass actions to finance applications or IT maintenance interfaces. Tier the storage so that backups are maintained outside the enclave and are not directly accessible by agents. Use chambers where appropriate to protect high-value applications and data. Discover before you scope. You should use registries to govern agents you know about. Use continuous discovery to find shadow AI and malicious agents that are not following corporate practices or adhering to corporate sandboxing. Make the exceptions visible, but not impossible. Paths from an enclave to a sensitive asset can be made explicit and time-bound. This makes the access a governance event that is reviewable in an audit. Pre-authorize the defensive measures. Quarantines and timeouts for runaway agents need to happen in real time, not after escalation and review. Agentic workflows are new. They are often complex, but they can be controlled. If you'd like to discuss how to apply these tools to your environment, you can reach out to us in the DMs or hit us at sales@zentera.net, and we'll be happy to set up a session with one of our consulting engineers.